My name is Nadernejad, Director of Nadernejad Media Incorporated. For over the past decade, we've been helping people from all walks of life fix their online reputations. In today's video, how to remove PacerMonitor from Google search results. Before we talk about it, let's back up, talk about what Pacer is. Pacer is a database of over 1 billion court documents. It's managed in the US, but globally, no matter where you are right now, you may be indexed by Pacer. This system is a bunch of court dockets, court information, litigation, you name it, it's all in Pacer. PacerMonitor is another website that actually goes and publishes some of those Pacer reports that might be ranking on the first page of Google for your name. So you're probably wondering, well, first of all, why is it ranking? Well, you probably don't have enough authoritative content around your name. Chances are, and the majority of people who call us don't have any content about their name. So of course, Pacer is trusted, there's a lot of data on it, Google says this is a reliable source of information, and so it ranks for your name when people search for you. So that causes a bunch of reputational issues. Number one, you're trying to get a job, they find litigation, doesn't look good. They find bankruptcy, doesn't look good. Other situations, maybe you're going on a date, somebody is looking it up. Maybe you're applying for a corporate position, somebody is going to find it. So obviously you don't want it there. Good news is it's very easy to suppress. Google does not want to show court dockets as the number one thing. They are by far not the most authoritative thing to show on the web. If you have a personal website, you have valid social media, you have a couple of feature articles, which is a specialty, it's something that we do, write long-form journalistic articles about you and publish it on the web. You have press releases, for example, literally in that order. Then PacerMonitor isn't going to appear as high in search results. The goal is to get it beyond page 2 or at least beyond page 1, okay? So that's the goal. This is the exact strategy I recommend you pursue instantly. The first one is building a personal website. Build that site, Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, doesn't matter where you build it, just make sure it has your first name and your last name. The second thing is get social media going. You want Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. I want you also to check out Skool, okay? S-K-O-O-L. I offer a free course there. Right now it's open, it's limited access. Eventually it will be turned paid, but I want you to go and look up Nadernejad Media Skool. You can take a look at some of the courses in there and it's going to give you a spreadsheet, a full spreadsheet, downloadable proprietary spreadsheet where you can actually build more than Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You can do a whole bunch of different social media, a whole bunch of different social networks. And there's over I'd say 50 of them in there. You Pinterest, so about.me, the presentation websites. So there's a whole bunch of different, websites that you can use in order to publish your name. You want to cover as much ground as possible, so build all the socials, then build them deep. Make sure Twitter has a lot of content automated. Your Facebook, YouTube has a lot of content automated. Once you've done that, the court record will just disappear. Well, essentially, it will be off page 1, and that's the goal. Outright removing it generally isn't possible. It's public record. I wouldn't even waste your time. Obviously, if it's slander or it's libel or you have another court order demanding that specifically that URL can be removed, then it's a great thing to do. Otherwise, probably not going to happen. So that's my recommendation. Look at suppressing it. Don't be too worried. And then check out our website for more information. If you need my help on a specific case, click the description down below. Book a call with me and I'd be happy to help. My name is Nadernejad and thank you for watching.